Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Renee Wagner, your guide to everything real estate, home care, and community insights. Spring is not just a season of renewal in nature, it's also the perfect opportunity for us to refresh and rejuvenate our homes. Today, I'll walk you through the 3 essential steps to prepare your home for spring, ensuring it looks its best and functions flawlessly. We'll cover everything from deep cleaning to maintenance, and even some landscaping tips to beautify your outdoor space. Before we get into it, if you find value in today's video, please show your support by hitting that like button, subscribing to our channel, and sharing this video with your friends and family. Let's make our homes spring ready. Let's start with spring cleaning, a task that sets the foundation for a fresh and clean home. Inside the house, tackle one room at a time. Begin with decluttering. If you haven't used something in the past year, consider if it's something you need to keep, donate, or discard. Once decluttered, focus on deep cleaning. This includes shampooing carpets, cleaning curtains, wiping down walls, and getting into those often neglected nooks and crannies like the tops of the cabinets and behind a large appliance. Pay special attention to your kitchen and bathrooms, as these areas accumulate the most grime. Transitioning outside, it's time to focus on the exterior of your home. Start with the gutters. Removing debris and leaves will ensure they're ready for spring showers. Washing the exterior windows and pressure washing your home siding will not only improve your curb appeal, but can also extend the lifespan of your paint and siding. Tidying up your entryway, replacing old mats, and adding a few potted plants can make a welcoming difference for both you and your guests. Moving on to maintenance. This step is crucial for catching and addressing any issues early on. Begin with a thorough inspection of your roofs. Winter weather can be harsh, and it's important to identify and repair any damage, such as cracked or missing shingles. This is also the time to service your HVAC system. A professional tune-up can ensure your air conditioning is efficient and ready to keep you cool in the warmer months ahead. Don't forget about your plumbing. Check for any leaks or damage to outdoor faucets and hoses that may have occurred during the colder months. Inspecting and turning on your sprinkler system now can save you from surprises when you need it most. Regular maintenance not only prevents costly repairs, but also ensures your home runs smoothly and efficiently. One final step to landscaping, which can dramatically transform the look and feel of your outdoor space. Begin by clearing any debris from your lawn and garden beds. Early spring is an ideal time to plant new flowers and shrubs, considering choosing native plants for ease of care and to support local wildlife. Trimming overgrown bushes and trees not only enhances the beauty of your yard, but also prevents potential damage to your property during storms. Adding or refreshing mulch in your garden beds can give your landscaping a clean and cohesive look while retaining moisture and suppressing weeds. If your lawn looks a little worse for wear after winter, consider aerating to promote healthier, thicker grass. A well-maintained landscaping not only boosts your home's curb appeal, but also creates a welcoming environment for you and your visitors to enjoy. And that wraps up our guide to preparing your home for spring. With these 3 steps, a thorough spring cleaning, diligent maintenance checks, and some thoughtful landscaping, your home will not only look its best, but will also be in prime condition for the season ahead. Remember, taking care of your home is an investment in your comfort, safety, and the value of your property. If you have any questions and need advice, or are looking for more in-depth guidance on any home care or real estate topics, feel free to reach out to me, Renee Wagner. I'm always here to help you navigate your home and real estate journey with confidence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found these tips helpful. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Here's to a beautiful, safe, and vibrant spring season at home.